Hi, and welcome to picoCTF2019. We have the coronavirus all around us, so if we are staying home, we might as well practice some capture the flag challenges. And today I thought we'd do let's warm up for 50 points. 45,000 people have already solved it, so it can't be too difficult. And it's under general skills. And it says here, if I told you a word started with 0x70 in hexadecimal, what would it start with in ASCII? And the hints here, it really just tells you that when you get the flag, remember to put it within the brackets. Hexadecimal is a base 16. We looked at this in the challenge Glory of the Garden. It uses the numbers 0 through 9 first, and then it continues with the letters A through F. So after 9, A would represent 10, etc. So if you're going to work with computers or capture the flag competitions, knowing a little bit about hexadecimal is important, so you need to Google that. If you go in on www.asciitable.com, you're going to get this. And ASCII, the short version, is just a numerical way to represent different characters. And if you pause the video, you can actually see the answer to a challenge problem right here. Just so it is mentioned, these challenges are very similar, if not identical, to picoCTF 2018, which is in its own category on my YouTube channel, and there I dedicate a lot of time explaining hexadecimal and ASCII and all the beginner challenges. Now, if you use your favorite search engine and search for convert hexadecimal to ASCII, one of the online converters that pop up is going to be Rapid Tables. And I think this one is very good, so I'm going to stick with it. So we want to convert 0x70, right? I don't think that's going to work, but let's just try it first. Nothing here, right? Alright, here's the thing. 0x, it just means that it is hexadecimal. It's not what we're after, and it says up here, right, just the numerical numbers. So we need to cut out the 0x. Sometimes you're going to see the number 70 with just an H after it, right? Explaining that it's a hexadecimal. But right now it just wants the number 70. And we're going to convert it. And we get a P here. And that's actually our flag. So we're going to go back and see if it works. Alright, so we have Pico, CTF, and the funny bracket here, P, and an ending bracket, and we're gonna submit it and see if that's the answer. And it is. And that's the way you solve it. These ones are very basic and simple. It's just Googling, and that's all you actually need to do on these ones. Okay, see you next time.